Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a nice machine. This is a Hardinge, probably one of the oldest, most precision manufacturers around. This is actually a TFB machine. So we're going to get into what the difference is between a TFB and an HLVH. So this is a TFB, meaning turning, facing, boring, no threading. You could see that by having no threading bar here. We'll run over to this machine right here. Here's an actual HLVH that was it's in our repair shop right now. We're checking everything out, but you'll notice here, this thread screw, what that does is allow you to do threading. That's the major difference between these Hardinges. You'll see a lot of them. If you're not doing the threading with this threading box, you don't need to do that. You're just doing turning and facing. You don't need such an expensive machine. You can get a smaller machine with less functions. So we'll get into running this guy real quick. We'll put it in slow mode. You got a collet closer right here. Nice selection of collets. We've got our feeds. We'll turn those on. Our switch right here. Increase speed, reduce, and we're going to switch back the other way. Now it's coming this way and in. You can hear the head sounds really good. Feed motor sounds great. Smooth machine. Everything on here will get adjusted before it leaves here by our techs. We're going to move into our high speed range. And we'll change our speeds. Take a look right here. You can see our speed changer. This is fast and slow. Right here you can notice this little slide coming down. Right there, it looks like we're at 700 RPM on the high range. We'll stop here and we'll move into that slow range again and let you see the different speed of there. So now we have it in our slow range and we're at 470. We're going to bring our speed up there. Again, the head sounds really, really good on this machine. Bring the speed down. You can see it's a great machine. Everything comes guaranteed from Sterling Machinery Exchange. Let us know how we can help buy, sell, or trade with you. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. We have some great financing options, as well as videos, photos, specs, and more. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.